Okay, here we are at Turner Television. We cleared out a bunch of their stuff about a week ago. I got a bunch of TVs from here, and we're back again, clearing out some more stuff. Got a System 3, another one, and just kind of digging around, clearing out a shelf here. Here's some more fuses, Dad. Oh, we got some bus fuses, little fuses, some of these, more of that kind of stuff. Surface mount resistors. And I'm slowly going through and cleaning out this thing here. Taking a whole bunch of test equipment. He's digging for whatever. What's that? The ring tester?
Super Cricket transistor and FET tester.
Oh, that's close enough. Sure, we'll grab it.
That wasn't what you thought it was.
No, thought it was that ring tester I found a manual for. There's what we want to go look at this workbench here.
It's a box of capacitors over. I'm gonna grab those.
Where at?
Right there.
Ah. Jeez. Oh, you lost some.
22 microfarad, 2200 microfarad.
That's good stuff.
Yeah.
Maybe a little old. You're gonna have to sort through it.
Yeah, I can use it. Nate, set that down in my pile over there.
Where at?
Just a second, right over there.
Yeah.
Can't walk through it.
Just to let you know, the bag is kind of broken a little bit, if you're wondering.
All right.
The actual is back on it.
Yeah, we're not gonna move it. It's fine. Thank you.
4700 at 16. Here's a 50 at 200.
Yeah, we'll do that later, buddy. I'm good.
Jeez, it's heavy. A tri-belt tractor. So.
Gotta move a little quicker though. Okay?
More surface mount caps.
Surface mount?
Surface mount, yeah. Like really small stuff. Jeez. More fuses. Oh boy. That's a lot of fuses. Put this with your. So what do you got there?
This is a bunch of different RF stuff. Look at that.
What?
This guy's rolling my arm.
Cobwebs. Brand new 8-tracks, man.
Yeah, I want those.
And splitters.
Yeah, so here's a bunch of
These are nice.
adapters for
Yeah, I'll go have to go
antennas
through
and stuff.
that.
You could use that. Got a bunch of these VCR TV switches.
Huh.
Those are handy for any kind of.
Dude,
Well,
you
no,
gotta
those aren't
dig.
that handy, but.
the price on it.
Yep.
$2.95.
Can you set that box over for me?
Yeah. Got a new old stock Zenith clock radio and a Motorola battery operated radio here. And just kind of clearing out stuff. So